Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can disable all background apps in Windows 11. So I will show you some methods so you can use as per your requirements. So let me start with the video. So is first method, you can simply go to the this window button, right click on it and go to the installed app. Here you can see the all your install app like this. Okay, so now select the app which you want to stop from background. Go to the here we need to go in this three dot option, go to the advanced options. Other advanced option, you can see the option called background apps permission, so you can make it never. Okay, so if you want to stop it, you can make it click on never and it will be save it. You need to just click on never, so this app will not run on background your window. Okay, the second method, just right click again in your window button and go to the your task manager. Just open your task manager. Okay, now just go to this option in, select the processor and just scroll down under the background processor. You can see your all app that actually running on background now. Okay, so there is a lots of app which is system apps. Okay, so you make sure, so be careful. Okay, when you don't close or end the system app like this. Okay, they are all system apps. So just select that you want to end or stop. I want to select this app, just right click on it and just click on end task. So this app now remove from background process. Okay, so that is a two method. You can select one by one and make it disable. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.